Hi guys, so I'm going to tell you a story how we got our X Premium, which is the X Blue Tick, for free. Okay, so after a lot of changes that have happened on X, previously known as Twitter, so the new deal was that you have to be subscribed to X Premium or X Blue Tick before you'll be able to launch an ad campaign on X using your desktop or your laptop computer. So we said, okay, let's try this out. We won't try to subscribe to X Premium, but we're going to launch our ad. So we place our ad. It was supposed to be an event ad where we're going to send traffic to our website from X. So basically, we're going to refer people on X platform, formerly known as Twitter, to visit our website to complete an event, just to place booking to grow their businesses or their brands on X using X advertising. All right. So when we launched this ad campaign, so initially it wasn't successful. Okay. But we had everything properly set up, the professional setup for X ad. And also we also added an active credit card to X platform, which they're going to bill whatever is being charged on the ad campaign. So when we left it, I think for some hours, maybe a day or two, we then got a notification that says we have a complimentary gift, more like a complimentary, a complimentary gift for running X ads. So this was how X gave us a free blue tick. We're going to show you how Gryte is verified on X. So this is one of the easiest way for you to get a free blue tick on X. Okay. So I don't know how long they're going to continue doing this, but you could give it a try and see how it's going to work out for you. Don't forget, if you want to grow your business, feel free to reach out to us for Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Google ads, X ads, and so much more. Send us a message or fill out our contact us form on our contact page on our website, or simply send us a message on our verified WhatsApp account. Okay. So see you guys in our next video, and bye for now. Make sure you visit the description section. We always have special information for you guys in the description section. So make sure you follow us and get more amazing tutorials on how to grow your business. Visit our website. We have exclusive blog contents to help you succeed in your business, particularly for you as a beginner, or maybe you want to transition your business, move your business to the online space fully. Visit our blog post. We have lots of rich resources to help you succeed, to help you get clarity on what to do and how to achieve your goals in your business. So see you guys in the next video. Don't forget, like this video and subscribe and share this video